Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite videos, favorite topics. We're going to be going through some of my Amazon favorites. Stay tuned. Okay, so as you know, I have my list and we're gonna stick to the list. Okay, the first thing that I have is, now you saw this in my car favorites, but I just have to talk about this again. This is a retractable charger. So this one kind of broken a little bit because we use it so often, and as in when I say broken, this won't retract all the way in, but it's fine. So this goes about 3 feet and it has a USB connect at the end. So you could plug one of those blocks into it and plug it into the wall, or you can plug it into your laptop, your wherever. And then this is the cool part. It comes with 3 attachments. So you have iPhone, you have Samsung, and you have the other thing. So you have these 3 things and it's retractable. And when it does go down really small, it's kind of very handy. I have one in my car, and this one I just keep in the living room so that whenever guests come over, you know, somebody always needs to charge their phone. I have all 3 charging attachments ready for my guests at a moment's notice. So yes, love this one. Had to start off with this. The USB there, right there where you need it, where you left it, whatever. One of the next things, you know, if you know me, you know some love a battery rider.
If you know me, you know some love a battery rider.
Nothing of that for boss about. Something of that for boss about.
Yeah.
I love a battery rider. My battery always hot, so I have to always wear shorts. I don't know, I just love shorts. I love shorts. I love shorts. All my legs were fat and full of cellulite. I ignored that. I was always in my shorts. Leave me alone. You know, when my sister spoke at my baby shower for Remy, she actually mentioned how, you know, it don't matter how big my belly is and how fat I get, always in my battery rider shorts. Picking up my kids from school in my battery rider shorts. Yes, I'm not mom, leave me alone.
My nigga.
These jean shorts I got off of Amazon. They have a great little stretch to them. So if you put on a little weight, you know, you still can get into them. And they have different like denim, dark denim, light denim, white, and different colors. I love these shorts. They just fit really well. And yeah, love me a denim shorts. You see, man, I'm the denim shorts queen. Jeans pants? No, I have like a few pairs. Never worn them. Jean shorts? Oh boy. And I just find that, so whenever you're shopping and you're looking for jean shorts online, always make sure it has 5% at least of spandex, because that will help you to get that nice fit over the booty into the small waist or to get over your hips. So yeah, make sure to have a little spandex to it, yeah. Spandex is a girl's best friend.
Stop it. Get some help.
So let me just do this first. Acrylic shelf dividers. So this is for like the bookshelf. See this hook here? So you slip this onto the bookshelf and then it will keep your books standing up. It can help you organize your books as well. So I have these in Levi's room. And then I got a really cool idea. I was like, you know, in my husband's side of the closet, he's more messier than I am. When we stack his clothes and fold them up, they're always falling over, or you know, they're just not, you know, very neat. So I got a whole bunch of these and I put on the shelves. And so what we do now, so there'll be a little cubby, and we stack his t-shirts, and we can stack them up higher and they won't fall over because the acrylic shelf divider is there to keep the shirts from swinging back and forth. Yeah, so I think this is very handy, whether it be in your closet or on your bookshelf to organize your books. And I'm sure you could find other use for this. I don't know what else you put on a shelf. Put this on your shelf and organize your shoes. Yes, acrylic, you know, I like to be organized. Acrylic shelf divider. And I'm into the acrylic. I'm into the acrylic because it's like a thicker plastic and it's clear. So I just find that it has a nicer look and a nicer feel to it. So while we're on the acrylic, I'm gonna talk about these acrylic bins, these acrylic cubby bins. So this one here, as you see, has Levi's Lego in it, and I love that it's clear because he can look through and see all of this is a small Lego, and it's all transportation things. So he has like all of his planes and his cars. You just open the lid and keep your Lego stuff in here. And then I have different sizes for different things. So we go up a size here. This is where I keep all of the cards Mommy has made for me. Just because her cards are really, really beautiful. So like, look at this. This is my anniversary card. Sean and I have been married for 9 years. Aww. So this is, I mean, this took a lot of work, so I really don't want to throw this away. And any little occasion, if the sun's shining too bright, Mommy make a card. So I just want to keep all of them. So I keep all of them in this lovely acrylic container. And so far I filled 2 of these with the cards Mommy has made me. I also have the acrylic containers in the fridge just to like organize fruits, the little squeezy pouches and stuff. I just find that, yeah, the acrylic, they look neater, and I don't find that I need to work. I need to explain my organization. Just get you some acrylic containers. And I like that the top is on a hinge, so just like you can't lose the top, especially for Levi's Lego. I don't know what he does with these, like, you know, the lid just disappears. Anyway, silicone body brush. So I've seen this in a couple other videos and I was like, not sure about that, but I love a loofah. Bathing for me is very, like, there's a process. So you bathe with the glove first with bar soap, and the bar soap right now is like an antibacterial because, you know, you have to bathe off all the corona. And then after that, now I go in with like a loofah with a body wash. You know, the nice sweetie body wash there. But the loofah always got so gross looking, like, you know, and so I do know that silicone, it's harder to like breed bacteria in the silicone over the fabric, and also it's easier to clean. I can just spray a little bleach water on this and leave it in the sun. But also I found that just like a little squirt of soap will last way longer. Like, my body wash in there is lasting so long because it really froths up with all these little bristles I need to scrub. And then I use this part here to massage my thighs, to massage away any cellulite. Don't ask me if that works, that's just what I do. So I massage with this side, scrub, and then this side we scrub. And yeah, make some nice frothy bubbles. It's really cool. So get yourself a body brush. And then it's easier to travel with this, you know, because when I was traveling with a loofah, I have to travel with a loofah. I have to travel with my bathing things. I'm very serious with the bathing. Very, very serious with the bathing. And you have to bathe with rag. You have to bathe with rag or body glove or loofah or silicone. But you have to bathe with something. You can't just wet up and hand. I can't hand bathe. I can't hand bathe. No. I have to brush bathe, rag bathe, loofah bathe. I have to bathe. Something has to rub my skin. Just that is how it goes, okay? And I find that this is the right lick. What is this? I want to call it like a baby food squeezer. It's called a squeezy snacker. So clearly this is for Remy. So it's a little silicone container. And you see, when you have silicone over plastic, like, it lasts longer, you can bleach water it. So you have a silicone container with a top, and then you open the top piece and there's like a little spout and you can squeeze out. So what I will do is applesauce, yogurt, any of those little things that would have come in, like you buy the jar of applesauce, I will pour out some into here, and then she has a perfect little amount and it can close. So if at lunchtime, if at recess she's had a little, she can save the rest for lunchtime. Because, you know, sometimes when you get the little the lunch containers, it's like you can't reseal them, or it just gets messy in the lunch pan. And I just, something weird, I don't want to say bad because it's not like the worst thing ever. But when I was a little girl, I went to go and have my lunch, and I just remember there was a banana mashed out in my lunch pan, and it really traumatized me. So I'm very careful with how I pack my kids' lunch pan, because I don't know, that mashed out banana in my lunch pan, it was a purple hard thermos lunch pan with dig out stripes in it. And the banana, maybe I had a bit of the banana and saved it and I didn't know you couldn't do that. Anyway, the mashed out banana in my lunch pan really, really traumatized me. So I'm very careful with what I pack for my kids, and You know, there was actually a time where I did pack a banana in Levi's lunch pan and I let him know it was in there. I you know, I'm not there at lunchtime and I don't want them to like feel bad. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know. I don't want them to be like, feel, I don't know, what's that feeling? It's not weird. It's disgusted. It's, I don't know. Maybe it's like a parent feeling, but I don't.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anyway, so I have applesauce. If I have yogurt or anything, I guess jello or something mushy jello, you know, Remy can just open it up, squeeze some out, have it, pack it back up, good to go. And I do think this is quite handy. It holds neatly in her lunch pan. It stands up in the fridge. Yeah, it stands up in the fridge either way, actually. Traveling with this would be great too, because as I said, she can have some and save some. I just think this is really great, so I just wanted to show everybody out there. And I guess if maybe you're having a snack, your yogurt, this is not enough. If you're on a diet, this is enough. So just definitely want to show you guys that because it has been a favorite of mine since I got it. So Tracy, my sister, had mentioned these black cotton thongs with a cotton gusset quite some time ago on Tuesdays with Tricky, and every now and then we've been talking about them. They are great. I think they're by the brand Amazon Essentials. I'm not 100% sure. I would show you one, but I do need another pack. They string out pretty easy, and the elastic, you know, the little elastic strings, but I find that when your panty gets stringy, that's when it's the most comfortable. I need another pack, but they fit great. They're cotton. It's summertime now, so you know, I would suggest a cotton underwear to keep everything breathable. And they're black, so you can wear them with almost everything. I actually need to throw out all the ones that I have now. I bought 2 packs. Throw those out and replace them with new ones. And you know what I need to do? I need to throw out all the underwear because I don't. It's like I have 7 favorite underwear, and those are all that I wear. But the drawer full of panty. Anyway. So definitely wanted to recommend this to you guys because we do talk about these panties pretty often. So I'm gonna drop the link below to the panties so you can enjoy them too. Speaking of panties and down there, let me tell you something. These are my favorite panty liners. Focus, 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 focus. The Barely There by Kotex. Now, at one point, I had to be buying these on Amazon because the Kotex in Jamaica just stopped bringing in these Barely There ones. I'm not sure why, but guess what? Of late, I have seen them here and they have started to bring them back. Thank goodness. Let me tell you why these panty liners are different from the others and why I love them. Okay, so first of all, you can get a little box, this one here, and I got these in Jamaica. But as I said before, I was getting them on Amazon, but there's no need to do that anymore because they're available here. So this is a box of 18, you can get different amounts. So they're individually wrapped, so you can drop them in your handbag, your gym bag, wherever. So the way that it is here, it doesn't matter what style of panty that you're wearing. So if you're wearing a thong, this can fold back and this can fold back. You see that? And it's not thick at all, like some other panty liners. Some of the panty liners are really thick. And then when you have it on your underwear, there's either no wing or there's no little tab, or it's too thick and it just bunches up and then you just get really uncomfortable down there throughout the day. The Kotex Barely There, any panty, whether you have on the boycott shorts, whether you have on a thong, whether you have on a full panty. If you have on a full panty, it just sticks like this. Well, this side is not already stuck down, but I would just fold it under there. And that's what I love about the Kotex Barely There, is that it's flexible, it's thin, and it can fit any panty shape, any panty style, and I love it. I do like wearing a panty liner every day just to keep things fresh down there, you know. And then if I'm like having a long day and I'm feeling a little musty down there, just fling off the panty liner, fresh again. Okay, I got asked a couple questions on it. Just joking, nobody asked. The cute little donut dress that Remy wore for her school pictures. So, look on this now. The dress, X's in the back. Watch it. You see that? X's in the back. And it's just really cute. We were able to dress it up, and you know, for her school pictures. She wore it to her birthday party. They have other styles. She has a blue one with, I think, cupcakes on it. And this is a pink one with donuts. It's really cute. Yeah. Found it on Amazon because I was like, oh, I want her to wear something nice for her school pictures. but I don't want it to be too dressy. I don't want it to be too out of character for Remy, and I find that she's worn this around the house, she's worn it to a birthday party, and she's worn it for her school pictures, and it's always convenient, and it's always cute, and it's always appropriate. Although the back well sexy. Okay, there's something that I don't have here because my friend Lisa keeps stealing it from me. So it's a nail dry oil, and I can't even remember the brand that it's by. I bought 2 for myself, and Lisa, every time she does my nails on a Friday, she takes it and shares with all the other customers. I should get a discount, Lisa. I'm not gonna lie, just saying. My little thing is I do my nails every Friday. That's my thing. Some ladies like to do their hair, some ladies like to do facials, some like massages, some like whatever it is that you like to do, that's great. My thing is my nails. I just think it completes an outfit. It just makes me feel fancy, you know? Like, look at me talking with my nails now. Although some of them are chipped. Like, yes, okay, well. And then when I'm dealing with kids and all of this stuff, cooking, whatever, I don't have time for my nails to dry, and I don't have the money to do dazzle dry every single week. So after Lisa does my nails, she just drops some of the nail dry oil on my cuticles, and while it's not immediately dry right away, I do notice a difference. I will drop a link in the description below to the nail dry oil. I believe it's OPI, you know. Lisa, I would like back my nail dry oil. You know, I don't even do my nails at home, so I don't know what. Oh, I'm not justifying Lisa taking my nail dry oil, just saying Lisa. Watermelon mist. All right, so this is by Glow Recipe. So this is the watermelon glow ultra fine mist. Now Glow Recipe, I've seen a few of their products. I started with the watermelon hydrating overnight face mask. Just because sometimes my face needs a little break from all the creams and lotions and potions. Also, if I give myself a facial and I've been picking and plucking and tweezing and juking up my face, then that night I will definitely put on like a overnight mask. And I was like, okay, let me see what other products they have. And this watermelon ultra fine mist is so nice. So you could keep this in your fridge or your cosmetic fridge, and it smells really good too. And when you mist yourself, it's just nice and cooling. What I'll do sometimes is before I put on my liquid foundation, I'll use it and just dampen my face to help everything go on nice and smooth. It's really hot in the days, so I find that I bathe like 3 times a day. So usually for my middle bath, my afternoon bath, I don't want to use toner again. I don't want to use all of the harsh products. So I'll just wash my face with a gentle cleanser and use some watermelon mist before I then put on my sunblock. And I don't know, I really like it. This is my 3rd little bottle. You shake it up and you use it. I don't know, you know, I think maybe it might be the shape of the bottle too that I really like. I've spoken about this before, but I have to mention it again. This BandAid liquid here. Focus. So we've come a long way from when, you know, you were a kid and you get cut and scrape and mommy put alcohol on it or hydrogen peroxide. We are way past those days. Like, honestly, there's no need for you to be putting alcohol on a child's cut. That is mean. So what I do is this hurt-free first aid antiseptic. It's a pain relieving liquid. You guys, adults can use this too. Like, it's just clean your cut. So Levi, usually, just squirt this on a cotton ball and clean the cut, and then I'll put on a little Neosporin. Gotta keep the cut clean. So I would definitely recommend this. Focus. So BandAid hurt-free first aid antiseptic. And you know what's really funny? Like, as I said before, you know how back in the day you used to put alcohol on a cut, so when you fall down, it's like, no, you're crying because you know some mommy I got draw for the alcohol. I was thinking about it the other day when Levi fell down. I was like, oh, come, let me clean it up for you. It wasn't, he was just like, yeah, okay, and I'll get a BandAid. It wasn't this whole, no, it's gonna burn. He doesn't know of like his cup burning from alcohol, which I thought was really cool. Because I would cry extra knowing when mommy gone for the Benjamin's alcohol because she got alcohol down my cut. Like, you're just making it worse. Like, I just fell like, you're gonna go and put alcohol on it now? That's mean, Mom. Okay, next thing, it's really cool. A beach bag. Okay, so this beach bag is not the cutest. I get it, it's not the cutest. However, it's very functioning. It's very functionable. It's very
A few moments later.
It's really cool. So you have the mesh bag, at the mesh tote at the top. So if there's any sand in it, you can shake out the sand. Also, whatever is in there can breathe, because your beach towels need to breathe. You know, got a little pocket at the front. But here's a really cool part. Attached to it is a cooler. So if you don't want the cooler section, you can snap it off completely. Beach tote, gotta go, no problem. Or if you're heading to the beach, you know, you want to put your food items. I usually put food items in this bottom section here. So I'll keep some drinks, some things that I want to keep cool. It's lined, it's insulated. So, you know, I just find that if I have my beach towels and stuff, I kind of want to keep my food separate, you know. Yeah, next thing you know, I throw my lip gloss or like a slippers in my bag. I don't really want it touching my food items. That's just me. It's just, yeah. So I'll put my food items in here, close this up. It'll stay nice and cool or nice and hot depending on whatever I put in there. My KFC, sorry, did I just say KFC? No, my diet food will just stay really warm in here. And then I can pack up my cooler, pack up my bag, and then when I'm ready to go, I just put them all together like that. Snap on the cooler with the straps here. This was a really good find. This is really cool. I find that the design is great in terms of the cooler section on the bottom, the tote on the top. And maybe there's other colors. I've gotten this some time ago. I think it's cool. It's cool. Not everything needs to be gorgeous. You have a little pocket in the front here so you can put your phone. Oh, I have a mirror. Very important. Lip gloss. Bubbles. Sunblock lip gloss. Pink string. Bubbles, very important in the beach bag. Mirror, of course, because you don't want to be like talking to the hot guys on the beach and you have a bubble. So if you're like, oh, there's a hot guy, hold on, let me see. Go talk to the hot guy. Hi, would you like a bear? Nice and cold out of my tote bag. Jamaica is the land of wood and water. We have amazing, good wood in Jamaica. And I find that the type of wood that we have, I don't blame that it gets eaten. Like, I don't blame that it's so in demand. You know, but right now, especially if you live at the back of the golf course, you're gonna have a problem because there's such great, amazing wood and trees on the golf course. So you're gonna get termites. It's just a problem. The termites live under the road in Norbrook. They travel like, they have like, what you call it, their pathways under the road in Norbrook. The houses here, if you have wood, your wood go and get eaten. And good wood must eat. Damn! Sometimes calling an exterminator, especially if it's just like a one little patch or, you know, something that maybe you could try to solve first before you call anybody. Guys, yeah, I know about good wood. I know how to deal with good wood. So I want to keep my wood good at all times, and I don't want anybody else to eat my wood, or any termites or any bug, anybody. No, stay away from my wood. My wood is my wood. So what I'll do is I will treat little termites myself before I call the exterminator, just to see, you know, sometimes I like to go one. Look at all the wood behind me. Wood. I am a girl that loves my wood. So definitely try this. This is a termite killing foam. So once you spray it in, you need to find the nest. So you find like it's a small little hole, and you line up the hole with this, and you shoot it in there. And you'll usually find the traveling tunnel that the termites have built, and you just soak it. You soak it with this foam, and guess what? You're done. You're good to go. You probably don't even have to use this a second time. You can like spray around if you feel like something not going. I definitely recommend this. I definitely recommend it. It kills exposed subterranean dry wood and damp wood termites. Kills on contact, and it's non-staining. It's good for indoors and outdoors, and I can guarantee that it doesn't stain. I've used it multiple times, especially in here, and I just kills carpenter bees as well. Oh, let's not. Oh well, carpenter bees, those don't make honey. So yes, I would definitely recommend this. This is definitely has to be on my Amazon favorites. I just thought it was a little random, but you know, I'm very like, I'm a random person. I'm a random person. I protect my wood. So I roll. I have been asked this before. Nobody's ever asked. Where do I get the seaweed snacks for Levi? So there is a Chinese grocery that has the seaweed snacks, and you can get the big pack of what's this, 10. However, it's very inconsistent, and it's one of the few snacks that Levi will eat that's very, very healthy. So especially if you're on like a no sugar diet, you can, how many trays is this? 20? Anyway, I get these on Amazon, and it's really light. So I don't pay, what is it? Oh, there's 20 coming here, and it's 25 calories per thing, and I believe in this you get about 10 little sheets of seaweed. So it's 0 saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol. Of course, there's a lot of sodium. It's 65 milligrams of sodium, and there's no sugars, no added sugars, and it has little vitamin here and there. It's 25 calories per serving. It's gluten-free and it's vegan, and he loves it. Remy loves it too. Of course, Remy loves it. It's food. They have different flavors, like they have teriyaki, they have this one, they have that one. I just stick to the original, and it's a great little snack for his lunchtime. And honestly, anything that Levi will eat, I will just buy it for him, because he's so picky. He's so picky. I don't know where he get this from. Anyway, what him don't eat, Remy will eat. So, you know how I am about my sunblock. I think it's very important that you wear sunblock. We live in a tropical island where it's very hot, and I don't think people realize the damage that sun rays or sun damage causes. Sun damage causes all the hyperpigmentation on your skin. Sun damage can cause aging. You need to protect yourself from the sun. I would suggest you wear a hat, and of course you need sunblock. I've booked up on a new sunblock. I know I've told you guys about sunblock in the past. I still use my spray one. However, this is one that I've added into my routine every single day, whether I'm going outside or not, because there's also rays inside the house. You can get UVB rays from like certain lights in your house, and just put on your damn sunblock. So this one here is by the brand Focus. Super Goop. I tried to order from their website, but they weren't having it. They were like, nah, that Jamaican address, scammer. So I just bought it on Amazon. This one is the Unseen Sunscreen. It's a SPF 40, and it comes out like a primer. If you want to get your Super Goop sunblocks in Jamaica, you can also check EC Makeup Bar. That's upstairs, New Kingston Shopping Center. So it comes out like a primer. So I have it on under my makeup, and it's really, really nice. It goes on so nicely. It has a nice soft mineral finish. It's an SPF 40, and it's water and sweat resistant up to 40 minutes. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen. I would definitely suggest that you invest in a sunblock. Really and truly, it makes a big difference. You know, you just don't see all the splotches on your face coming up because you're protecting yourself from the sun. And I have hyperpigmentation, so I'm crazy about my sunblock. And you know, good girl, she don't want age. Yeah, so you can check out the Super Goop brand and get your sunblock on. Alright guys, so this was my Amazon favorites for summer of 2021. I hope that, you know, you saw something really cool, that you were like, hey, you know, let me try that. If I had to pick my favorite out of all of these things, I would definitely go for the squeezer. Definitely go for the squeezer. I just think it's really cool, and Remy loves it. Food is in here, so of course Remy's gonna love it. And next would be my wood. Alright guys, that is it for my YouTube video and for my Amazon favorites summer 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Links to everything will be below, and just letting you know there are Amazon affiliate links, so I will be making a small profit when you purchase from my links, and I'd really appreciate it because I have a mortgage to pay. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!